In this demonstration video, I'll be walking through an integration between Microsoft Dynamics NAV and Salesforce. The use case behind this is that I have a sales team that likes to work with Salesforce and a back office team that is using NAV for orders, for invoices and for stock. I want my sales team to be able to create and update customers and contacts, while at the same moment the financial department must be able to update customers and maybe even put customers on hold. Also, my sales team must be able to create orders directly in Salesforce while, for example, they have their customer on the phone. This way both teams work with the most recent data without both teams having to insert data twice or even have to share logins. During this presentation, I'll be showing this use case, and also I will dive into Scribe Insight to show you how this integration has been created and also how you can modify this. I'll be creating an account in Salesforce. I'll update that account in NAV, then I'll create an order in NAV and show you the invoice that has been created in Salesforce. Let's head over to Salesforce to start with the presentation. Let me start with creating a new account. The new account will be called Minions United. I'll save it as a customer. What I will also do is I'll fill in a dummy phone number. I'll save this account. Let me check if it's already here. As you can see, it has been created with a new account number C00240. Let's open it up. And here you can see that it doesn't have any address, but it does have a phone number. Let me add the address here. Sesame Street number 1, postal code 2517 JK, and that's in Den Haag, in Netherlands. I will also update the credit limit, but first I'll need to make sure that it's being blocked so we can check so that we can have a call with the customer before they can place an order. Let's head over to Salesforce and see if any data has been updated. As you can see now, we got a credit limit. The customer is on hold. You can see the last sync time, which is just now, and also we got an updated NAV account number. So, and also we got an address information that has been updated. So now we have bidirectional communication between Salesforce and NAV. Let's head back to NAV and start to create an order. I open up my account. I'm going to unblock it, otherwise I couldn't ship anything. And from here I can start and create an order. Let's create a new one. Let's add some sales lines. I'm going to add some speakers. Here they are. I'm going to add 2 because they go better in pairs. Alright, let's save the order. From here, we can start and release the order. Next, I will post the order and ship and invoice it. This will create an invoice, and just notice the invoice number. Let's head over to Salesforce and see if that invoice has been created. Scroll down. And there you can see that I actually have a sales invoice order. There you can see the document number is identical to the invoice number. Using Scribe Insight is really easy to create integrations. We have several templates available on our website that you can combine to create your integrations. They're free to download, so it's really easy. Most of the templates cover customer and addresses, products and price list, units of measure, currency exchange rates, orders, and by that are order headers and order details, and also invoices. In this scenario, I combined two templates. Let's head over to our website to show you where you can find them. On our website, you can find our templates. If I scroll down, you can see a list of all the templates that we have available, but you could also combine several templates to create your final result. Templates you can modify, you can extend them without having to write any code. You can do that in our graphical environment. Let's head over there. First, let me show you the console. Here you can control the scheduling of your integration jobs, and also you can do server management tasks. If you want to extend the integration, for example to include other objects from NAV or Salesforce, you can easily add those objects to the publisher. Let me go into the publishers. Here you can see the list of publishers that I have used in this integration. Let me open up the Microsoft Dynamics NAV publisher. If you want to add entities or objects to the publisher, it's simple to click Add. Once you've clicked on Add, you can select the object you want to expose. If I want to customize field mappings and data processing logic, I can do that in the workbench. Let's say I wanted to map some new fields. I can do that in here, in the workbench, by adding links, and also I can set up formulas to manipulate data in the fields. In the workbench, I also have access to the data processing logic. Let's go in there. Here you can see the step logic that we've created for this integration. In this case, I'll seek a customer. If the customers exist, I will update it, else I'm going to insert it into Salesforce. I can also change this logic, or I can add more steps. If I was extending the integration to add a whole new map and set up my own processing and field mappings, I can also do that within the workbench.